In addition to Merit's legacy of products of pipe, valves, fittings, and flanges, Merit also carries an offering of press fittings in carbon, copper, and stainless, known as carbon press, copper press, and stainless press. While there are several methods to join pipe, industry trends are focusing on quality products that save project completion time and money. Press fitting systems reduce project costs by up to 30% due to labor and auxiliary material savings. Press fittings reduce the time it takes to install a system, address labor shortages, have reduced overhead, and are safe to use. There is no need to acquire an open flame permit with press fittings and valves. All that is required with a press system are the press fittings and/or valves, a press tool, and the accompanying press jaws and rings. Merit's copper press fitting and valve, known as Copper Press, is an innovative solution for copper installations. Copper press fittings and valves are the most comprehensive offering for your copper press applications with over 350 SKUs. This system is suitable for use on ASTM B88 Type K, L, and M copper tubing in the hard drawn condition and soft copper tubing in sizes 1/2 through 1 1/4 inch. Our copper press fittings are available in 1/2 inch through 4 inch, and valves are available in 1/2 inch to 2 inch. They house a VIPR visual indicator press ring that is color-coded according to the sealing element. EPDM fittings and valves will have a green VIPR band for water applications. The VIPR band makes it easy for the installer to identify any unpressed joints in the system, as the band can be easily removed after the fitting has been pressed. In addition to the VIPR, copper press fittings and valves ensure that the proper fittings and valves are selected for the application by matching the sealing element, color coding on the box, the bag, and the band. For EPDM, all labeling boxes and the VIPR band will be green. Some of the other features and benefits include a 50-year limited warranty on fittings and a 5-year limited warranty on valves, copper 2 size CTS, NSF 61 on fittings, water applications stamped on the fitting as H2O in green, a fully captured grab ring on 2.5 inch and up, leak before press system LBP designed to leak before the fitting is pressed, giving a visual indication of a connection that has not been pressed. Our valves have a lead-free construction with a cast C89836 bronze body with copper retainers. For more information about our copper press offering, please visit our website or contact our team today.